Hi friends, welcome to my ad review channel, AI NexaSites. Start your own website agency. Brand new 2024 ready AI site and funnel builder app. World's first AI app creates stunning websites, membership sites and funnels in any niche. In 60 seconds flat, boost leads, traffic and engagement with one click. Easily earn up to $345 win $1,000 per website. But offering effortless website creation services to clients. No coding, no SEO, no third-party apps. One-time payment. Instantly build your dream websites using AI for any business. Launch unlimited jaw-dropping, traffic-pulling business websites, membership sites, funnels, landing pages and more like magic. Access high-converting 100-plus page templates in trending niches. Drive instant buyer traffic to your AI websites from search engines. 100% blazing fast and reliable web hosting for your lifetime to your website's SEO optimized. Dominate Google's first page commercial license included. Launch your profitable website agency now. Save time and money and stop paying thousands of dollars monthly to expensive website creators like Wix.com, Convertri, and others. Beginner-friendly, zero skill required, zero upfront cost or any extra expenses, paid just once, not monthly, no hidden fees, no surprises, risk-free, 30-day, money-back guarantee. Unleash your website empire and get ready for the massive income boost plus triple your business. You are just one click away. Step 1. Buy and log in. Grab the software, log in, access the dashboard and start right away. Step 2. Create. Choose from our built-in 100-plus pre-made website templates. Use our drag and drop builder and create your fully functional site from scratch within minutes. Step 3. Publish and profit. Once you create these gorgeous websites, watch traffic and commissions rolling in. Sell to clients on freelance platforms and pocket huge commissions. Don't just dream about success, live it with AI NexaSites. Friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.